Introducing the 1440 Standard Modern Lathe series, the pinnacle of precision and reliability in machining. This lathe comes equipped with a Camlock dog plate assembly for secure and efficient work holding. The tailstock center and headstock center feature number 3 Morse taper, ensuring precision and accuracy in every operation. Inch metric dials allow for seamless switching between measurement systems. The electric brake and spare shear pins and keys provide peace of mind and uninterrupted productivity. The standard modern lathe features a standard open drip-proof motor, ensuring optimal performance. Plus, it is CSA approved for electrical safety and reliability. The package comes complete with essential tools like the Camlock wrench and tool post wrenches. The comprehensive operator's manual is included, providing instructions and spare parts information. Enhance your lathe's capabilities with accessories like the collet attachment, telescopic taper attachment, and lead screw reverse. The micrometer carriage stop and coolant equipment provide further precision and convenience. With a 5 HP motor and rear chip guard, you'll have the power and protection you need. The steady rest accommodates a wide range of diameters, while the rear chip guard keeps your workspace clean and safe. The standard modern lathe offers exceptional versatility, allowing you to customize it with various options to suit your specific needs.